I've been using ThriveCart since 2023. I've made over $27,000 through ThriveCart, and I'm going to go over the different pricing options and what it's going to look like when you sign up. There's 4 different tiers of ThriveCart to sign up for. So we're going to go through each one, and I'll have them all timestamped for you down below in the description as well. The first one is going to be ThriveCart Ultimate Package. And this is the best of the best. This is the one that I have, and it is amazing, absolutely amazing. It comes with ThriveCart, which is a $495 value, which is a lifetime payment, one payment for that. There is also a Pro Plus upgrade that comes with this. This is an additional $295 a year annual plan, but this is honestly still the cheapest around and such a great deal. I was paying, I think, $1,200 a year annually with Teachable, and I get so much more bang for my buck with ThriveCart. So it's $295 annually. Learn Plus is an upgrade, and that is a lifetime payment of $195, so only pay it once. There is a Thrive and Shine course for creators, which is a $69 value, templates, a private community, and a ThriveCart launch course. Comes with the Ultimate Bundle. So here's everything that it comes with, like I said, and it is $495 for the lifetime license, the annual. You get a launch course, a profit playbook, which is the $69 value, tons of templates. It's amazing the amount of templates that they have. And what it's going to be is the full funnel package is $985 plus future payments. So next year you're going to pay $295. Now, if you go directly to the ThriveCart website, which I'll going through the links in the description, it's going to cost you a lot more. It's going to cost you $1,995. So we want to make sure that we are going through the link, and that's going to, like I said, it's going to save you a lot of money by doing that. It's going to save you $1,000 by going through the link in the description. So you can also add on a course to create a course in a weekend for $67. But today you're going to pay just the $985, and then next year it's going to be an additional $295. So just keep in mind of that. But this is the ThriveCart Ultimate Package. This is the best of the best and such a great deal. This is the one that I have. If you're nervous about starting ThriveCart as well, I do have a free course that walks you through how to set up your ThriveCart account, the ins and outs of everything. It's like over the shoulder tutorials for you. I also make tons of tutorials here on YouTube. So I have you covered on setting up your ThriveCart account, getting started, launching your first course, also the pricing, how to price yourself, how to sell your course, all of that. So I'll have that linked for you down below in the description. The next tier is ThriveCart Pro Plus. So this is a new tier. This is really new. And this is a great tier. It includes tax inclusive pricing, multiple order bunts, sales tax automatically included, recurring revenue upgrades, crypto payments, QR code checkout, so many things, JV contracts. You can have affiliates in this, coupon tracking, subscription metrics, segmentation filters. There's so many different things in this platform, which is just so amazing. Like I said, I've made over $27,000 by selling my own courses and membership and ebook through ThriveCart. You can sell physical products, you can sell digital products, so many different things that you can sell in ThriveCart. So this one, there is like I said, this is the Pro Plus upgrade. So this one is going to be, today's payment is going to be $790, and then future payments of $295. And you can add on the 7-figure course masterclass for $67. Thrive and Shine, you can add on all of this. But this is what you're going to be getting here. I'm not going to go over all of these, but this is the ThriveCart Pro Plus plan. And this is a really, really great tier. This is going to be the one that's right below the Ultimate Package. Like I said, there's 4 different packages here, and all of them will be linked for you down below in the description. And when you go in the description, you're going to see them all right here for you. Here's all the different packages. So just check out the description and you can click all of these, and it's going to bring you right to the link which is discounted. I get a special discount with ThriveCart, and I am ThriveCart certified. So I've gone through the process of getting training on ThriveCart, how to use ThriveCart, all of that. And these are affiliate links, so it is a great way that you can support my channel. But like I said, you're getting a discount as well. So it's a win-win for everyone. There's also a lot of other great stuff in here. Like here's the free ThriveCart course. I also have a step-by-step guide on writing a sales page with ChatGPT prompts inside it as well. It's a Google Doc. I also have a workbook to figure out what side hustle is best for you, if you want to add on new side hustles to your online business as well. Weekly newsletter template, free PDF review guide, tons of different things down below in the description. The next tier is actually a free plan. So you can launch your course for free, which is really cool. You don't have to pay the annual fee. You don't have to pay anything. All you're going to do is pay a percentage of your sales to ThriveCart. Like I said, you can still build the landing pages, the funnels, the global checkout payments, subscription management, affiliate platform, LMS, reporting and analytics. You're going to get all of this with your plan as well, but it is completely free. So here's how it works. You can have one product, one order bump, one upsell, one downsell, 100 plus global payment methods, templates, business metrics dashboard, all of that. So all you're going to pay is a platform fee. So you can set up your course, you can launch your course, all of that. You only pay ThriveCart if you make a sale. So that's a great way, especially if you're just starting out. Now, over time, if you're going to be selling at volume, I definitely don't recommend this plan. It's going to be cheaper for you in the long run to go with the Ultimate Package or ThriveCart Pro Plus. You're also going to be able to create multiple products. But if you want to dip your toes in and see if this is going to be a great plan for you, and you want to just see, hey, you know, do I like selling courses, or can I sell a course, all of that, and you want to just sell one product, then this is a great thing. And like I said, you're only paying the 2% platform fee. So for every sale that you make, you pay 2% back to ThriveCart. So this is the launch plan, ThriveCart launch, and it will be down below in the description for you as well. The last tier is ThriveCart Standard. This is the basic standard platform. So this does not have an annual fee. This is a 100% lifetime license, which is absolutely amazing. So you're going to pay one time today, and then you never have to pay again for your ThriveCart account. It is lifetime access, which is absolutely incredible. There's the checkouts. These are drag and drop templates. I have tutorials on how to use these as well. You can have upsells. You can have downsells. There's all the payment management. There's the built-in course and customer platform. Everything is for you right here in ThriveCart Standard. So you can simply say, no, I don't want the Pro Plus upgrade. And then this fee is typically $19.95, but today, one-time only payment of $495. Like I said before, I paid $1,200 a year for Teachable. A year. So this is one-time payment of $500. Absolutely incredible. They do have different add-ons for Learn Plus and also a masterclass for $67 in Thrive and Shine. So there is different upgrades if you want to add those on as well. But like I said, lifetime access for $495, which is absolutely incredible. And I will have all of these linked for you down below in the description. Now, also, if you want a full walkthrough of the platform, what it looks like, the ins and the outs before you make your decision, I'll have a video linked here for you to check out a full walkthrough of the ThriveCart platform.